Hello children, now second class mathematics. Take out your textbook children. So now second chapter numbers from 22, numbers from 10 to 99. Numbers from 10 to 99. So 2 digits numbers only, 10 to 99. So in previous classes too till 50 will be completed. Now 51 to 60. 7th bit children. Page number 13 open it. Page number 13. Take out all of you children. Page number 13. So now numbers from 51 to 60. Numbers from 51 to 60. So take out all of you. Take pencil also children. So let's count with me children. Don't write simply, don't copy. You count and write, okay? See here. Now here. What is this children, this one? In previous classes too I am explaining only. What is this? So bundles of sticks. Here some loose sticks. So bundles of sticks. So how many bundles are there here? How many bundles are there? In each bundle to how many sticks are there? So let us count, okay? Find them. See here. So in each one bundle to how many sticks are there? Once you find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bundles. 10 bundles? No. 10 sticks. So in each bundle to how many sticks are there? 10 sticks. So in each bundle to 10 sticks are there. So how many bundles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles. How many bundles? 5 bundles. So 5 bundles means how much children? 5 tens. So how many tens are there here? 5 tens. How many tens? 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Plus how many loose sticks are there here? 1 loose stick. Only 1 loose stick only having. So 1 loose stick means how many ones? 1 ones. 5 tens plus 1 ones. So 5 tens means how much children? How many ones here? How many sticks are there? 5 tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Why I am counting here 10, 10. So in each bundle too how many sticks are there? 10 sticks. So that's why 10, 10 will be counting them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 tens means 50. Plus 1. 50 plus 1 how much? 0 plus 1, 1, 5. 51. 50 plus 1, 51. So here how many bundles of sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles having. So how many tens are there here? 5 tens. So write children here 5. 5 right? 5. 5 tens. So how many loose sticks having here? How many loose sticks are there? 1, 2. 2 loose sticks. 5 tens plus 2 ones. 5 tens plus 2 ones. So 5 tens means 50. 5 tens means 50. Plus 2 ones means 2. 50 plus 2. 52. 52. 50 plus 2. 52. So here, how many tens are there? How many bundles of sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens. So here, how many ones are there, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 3 ones. 3. 50 plus 3. 53. 50 plus 3. 53. 53. Next one here. How many bundles of sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. So 5 bundles means how many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens. 5 tens means 50. 50. So how many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loose sticks. 5 plus 4. No, here 5 tens, here 4 ones. So 5 tens means 50. 4 ones means 4. 50 plus 4. How much children? 50 plus 4? 54. 50 plus 4, 54. So next one. Here bundles of sticks are there here? Yes. So how many bundles having children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks. So in each bundle 10 sticks are there. So how many tens here? 5 tens. 5 tens plus, here some loose sticks are there, children? Yes. So how many loose sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loose sticks having. 5. So 5 tens plus 5 ones. 5 tens means 50. 5 ones means 5. 50 plus 5. 55. 50 plus 5. 55. So next one. Here one bundles of sticks are there here? Yes. So how many bundles of sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles means 5 tens. 5 tens plus, how many loose sticks having children here? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count with me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 tens plus 6 ones. 5 tens plus 6 ones. So 5 tens means 50 plus 6 ones means 6. 50 plus 6, 56. 56. So next one here. How many bundles of sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles, 5 tens. 5 bundles means 5 tens. So here some loose sticks are there, children? Yes. So how many loose sticks are there? Let us count now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. 5 tens means 50. 7 ones means 7. 50 plus 7. 57. 57. Next one. How many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So here, how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 5 tens plus 8 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 8 ones. 50 plus 8, 58. 50 plus 8, 58. So next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 bundles to 10 sticks are there. So here how many bundles of sticks here? 5 bundles. 5 bundles means 5 tens. 5 tens plus how many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 5 tens plus 9 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 9 ones. 50 plus 9, 59. 50 plus 9, 59. Next one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles of sticks are there here. Yes? Yes. So how many tens here? 5 tens. Already here given 5 tens. Plus here some loose sticks having, children. They are also counting and writing. So let us count once. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. 10 ones. 5 tens means 50. 10 ones means 10. 50 plus 10. 60. How many tens having? How many tens are there here? 6 tens. So here 10 ones means 1 bundle only? Yes. Again 1 bundle forming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens means 60. How many ones are there? Not there ones. 0 ones. 6 tens and 0 ones. 6 tens means 60 plus 0, 60. So let us observe, children. What we are learning? 50 plus 1, 51. 50 plus 2, 52. 50 plus 3, 53. 50 plus 4, 54. 50 plus 5, 55. What is this, children? 50. 50 plus 6, 56. 50 plus 7, 57. 50 plus 8, 58. 50 plus 9, 59. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 0, 60. Are you understand? So here which like will taking 5 tens plus 1 ones means 51. 5 tens plus 2 ones 52. 5 tens plus 3 ones 53. 5 tens 4 ones 54. 5 tens 5 ones 55. 5 tens 6 ones 56. 5 tens 7 ones 57. 5 tens 8 ones 58. 5 tens 9 ones 59. Like that only. Okay children? You observe this and write okay? Okay children.